It's 10:30 at night. I totally missed the party today. So you ready for the late night party? Are we going out for fourth meal? What up, Buttercup? Can you smile for us? Can you smile? Kick around, show us your toes. Oh. Ready to go dancing? Yes. 10:30 at night. That's the prime time. Go out. Hang out at the bars. Dance. Be a wild woman. Yeah. Maybe in about 20 more years. There's a smile.